Hi guys, it's Jenny. Oh my god, I literally... Whoa. Hi guys, it's Jenny. Please excuse my voice if it sounds really weird. I am ill, which is just fantastic because it's literally my birthday in like 3 days, and I'm ill, so that's great. I also can't really hear myself talk, so that's even better. So I don't know if you've heard, but there was a film released not too long ago. It was called Joker. I don't know if you've heard of it. There's not really much about it, but yeah, I'm joking, obviously. So Joker was released not too long ago, and I went to see it, and it was so good. I highly recommend everyone to go see it. It's honestly such a good film. I'm not a massive fan of DC films, to be honest. I haven't really seen many of them, but I'm not a massive fan of Batman. I find it kind of boring, which my boyfriend will kill me for saying that. But yeah, when I heard about this film being released, I wasn't really like, oh, I really want to go see it, but my boyfriend and my friends did want to see it, so I went along, and it was so good. I highly recommend going to see it. So yeah, since seeing it, I've seen loads of people come out with like different Joker inspired makeup looks, and I really wanted to do one because Halloween is coming up very soon, and I'm sure so many people are gonna go as Joker for Halloween. So yeah, I thought I would create my own Joker inspired makeup look for Halloween. It's not exactly like the Joker look in the film, obviously, but I didn't want to do one that was exactly like it. Like I really didn't want to block out my eyebrows and move them higher up. So yeah, this is what I came up with, and I really like how it turned out. So if you want to know how I did this and what I used to create this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel down below, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Enjoy! Okay guys, so I'm starting off with the Revolution Stick Foundation and just applying this all over my face. This is like one of my lightest foundations, so that's why I chose that one, because I wanted to look all pale and stuff. And then I went in with the Collection Concealer just underneath my eyes to conceal those bags. I then took the Morphe X James Charles palette and the white shade just to set my face to make it even paler, as if I'm not pale enough. And then I took the red shade and started to fill in my eyebrows. I was actually pretty impressed with the pigment on this. I didn't expect it to be this red, but yeah, I thought it looked really cool. And I did go over with a clear mascara just to kind of set my brow hairs in place because they're kind of wild. Then taking the blue shade, sorry I don't know any of the names for these shades in this palette, but I'm using that blue shade on an angled brush, and I am just creating triangles underneath my eyes and then on top of my eyebrows. So sorry for my voice again, I am still sick. I know it's really annoying. Yeah, I do apologise. But yeah, here I go, just filling in those triangles. Of course I do it to both eyes, don't worry. Then I'm taking this red lipstick, and this is literally the only red lipstick we have in my house. I stole this from my younger sister. I think it's by Maybelline, but like it's kind of rubbed off, so yeah, I don't really know. But I'm using this to create like the red nose, and I am going over with that red eyeshadow just to kind of set it down and make it like even more red. And then for the mouth, I'm starting off with the red eyeshadow and a little angled brush, just to kind of mark out out the like outline where I want everything to be, and then I'm going in with the red lipstick just to fill everything in. And yeah, I'm going over top with the red eyeshadow again, and honestly guys, I really struggled with this. As you can see here, I kind of took a break and decided to put on some mascara because I was getting frustrated with the mouth. It wasn't turning out how I wanted it to look at all. So yeah, I kind of revisited it and added some more and was like, yeah, that'll do. I think that looks cool. But yeah, that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you're going as for Halloween in the comments below. But with that all said, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!